I want to break down this long trade that just made me $1,447 step by step. I'm gonna show you exactly how I found the trade, why I took the trade. So first thing I did was determine the overall market bias for the day, and the market was bullish. I was only looking for longs, so that already eliminates like bad trades, so we're not taking no short, no nothing, because the overall market on a higher time frame is bullish. How we find that is we go to the 4-hour chart. So we had this big move up, and that doesn't mean we're just taking a trade because it's a big move up. I had this break of structure telling me the market is going up now, and on the 1-hour chart it was a different story. We actually had a stronger bias for the day, right? We had these two break of structures, and then we had an equilibrium, and it gets hit right here with this candle, so that tells us the market will move up for the day, right? And it did exactly that. So our bias was done for the day and it was bullish, so that's why we took the trade. And then we go to the 30-minute chart, marking out Asia session and London session highs and lows. We don't care about these highs right here because it already got taken out in London session, and the lows I had marked out, and this low for London, and then this high right here got taken out in New York session. And then that doesn't mean it's gonna be a reversal, because I know so many people that think, okay, the London session high got taken out, that means it's a reversal. No, you gotta go look for the bias for the day, and overall it was bullish, so I knew it didn't really matter. So we went down to the 5-minute chart. That's 10 minutes. So once I had my bias, I dropped down to the 5-minute chart, and here I got a clear break of structure to the upside, confirming that the buyers are in control. So I have this break of structure here. After the break of structure, the price left behind a 5-minute fair value gap. So instead of chasing price, I waited for price to respect this imbalance. So the price go all the way down, hits the fair value gap, right? And then it starts going up. So we know, again, second confirmation, we're right for the day. When price tapped into the 5-minute fair value gap, I went down to the 1-minute chart for entry. On the 1-minute chart, I usually look for a break of structure confirming continuation or inverse fair value gap. So let's go to the 1-minute, and then you see after we tap the fair value gap, we get this break of structure, and actually we get inverse fair value gap 2 right here. So we get 2 of our key points. After that, it was nothing to wait for. We enter the trade, kind of a 1 to 2 RR. As you see, it's like 1.9, so almost 2, right? And we had targeted these 1-hour highs, these ones right here, and it gets hit, and then these ones got hit too, and we still have these right here. I think it might hit tomorrow. If not, it might do a reversal off these highs because the market is closed right now, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, I targeted these highs. I could have went for these, but this one, that was just stupid, like being greedy, because that was all the way in Asia session, right? So we go back to the 5-minute chart, put our take profit here, stop loss here under this low we got here. So that 1-minute break of structure was my entry trigger. Stop loss was placed below structure like I just showed you. My target was previous high, which makes sense for bullish bias, right? I didn't over manage this trade. Once I was in, I let the setup play out. No emotions, no revenge trading, just letting market do the work. I was here for like an hour waiting for the trade to be finished. But yeah, it was a good day. We made 1,447 in an hour. That is a lot if you ask me, because that's a 2-week paycheck sitting on the desk for like 3 hours straight, right? I can't be complaining. The target hit for 1,447. The key takeaway here isn't the money, it's the progress. Bias first, higher time frame structure, wait for the price to come to you. Don't be chasing the price.